Well, I done got her out of there. Steven got his stuff. He got a bunch of Torino parts and another parts Ranchero for the kids' project, that Ranchero that I gave to him at the No Name Nationals last year. But I got another 460 out of that one, and I'm actually going to come back and probably get that 88 out of that Mustang, and maybe one of those Mustang 2 Pintos over there. You can see this is the legendary Tyhee yard, but Walt has been selling at fire sale prices, and there's not a whole lot left out here. But we're picking them and we're saving them, and we're trying to get out there and get some of that metal hop for you. Stay tuned. We got more content coming with Mr. Stephen Holtz. Just Drive It and his boys. They're going to get that Ranchero going really good. We'll catch you on the next one.